Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix where winds meet game, crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, or other issues on PC. So the very first method what you need to do is to check system requirements. For that, go below in the Steam option, search for the game, then go below here you can see the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs and then try to launch the game. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam. Now under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now here under general you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it resolves the problem. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then check if it helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't resolve, again come back, type -d3d11 and then check if this helps to fix the problem. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it and click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers to the latest version, and after that check if you can launch the game. NVIDIA and AMD users go through the link already provided in the description. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If it's not listed or you cannot find, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application and add it to the list. After that, select the game, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK and then launch the game. Now check if it helps. Next is to delete temp files. So for that, press Windows plus R and here you have to type temp, and after that you have to simply select all and delete the temp files and folders. Once done, launch the game. Next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. Now this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Click on engine, then binaries, then Win64, and here you will get the game application. Now right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK. Now check if the game is launching or not. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, click on apply and OK and launch the game. If it doesn't resolve, again come back, select run disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then try to play the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled such as NVIDIA Shadowplay or MSI Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next solution is to update your Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates and it will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then launch the game. Next solution is to clear download caching. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, go below, click on downloads, and now here you can see clear download cache option. Beside it, a clear cache option is available. Simply click on it and you have to log in to the Steam once again after clearing the cache. So by doing this, launch the game and then check if it helps. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to download the link. Now after the link is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get either install or repair option. So simply click on repair option and wait for some time. Now after it shows setup successful, close this, restart your PC once, and after restarting again log into the game and then check if it resolves the problem. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your PC, you are suggested to disable it. Now after disabling, you have to launch the game and check if it helps, because sometimes antivirus program interrupts in between the gameplay and you cannot play the game. So you are suggested to disable the antivirus software before you launch the game and then check. Next method is to install DirectX. So for that, go through the link already provided in the description and paste it in your browser. Website opens, you have to click on download option, and this will download the DirectX on your system. After that, install it, and once you install it, after that launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, now click on settings, now click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Now after disabling, launch the game and check if it helps. GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app. Now go to the game folder. Now select the game application and add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, you have to click on the arrow icon. Now under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game. If this doesn't resolve the issue, then the final solution is to reinstall Where Winds Meet game. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once, and then again launch Steam and reinstall Where Winds Meet game once again and click on play button to check if it's launching or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.